With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, the landscape of motion graphics is undergoing a transformative shift. AI is now empowering creators to produce stunning visuals, but is it simply enhancing creativity or is it taking over the entire process? Let's dig a little deeper. When we think of AI, we often picture the recent wave of generative AI tools that have taken the world by storm, like ChatGPT and Midjourney. However, it's important to remember that AI has been part of the creative workflow long before these innovations. Tools like Adobe Sensei powered RotoBrush have been speeding up specific tasks in motion design, helping creators without replacing them. Many traditional motion graphics tools have been enhanced with AI, improving both performance and capabilities. That's one version of AI in the motion design workflow. Then comes a more recent development. Using AI in the pre-production stage to pull inspiration, much like Behance or Dribble. This use is generally accepted by creators because it allows them to retain full creative control over the material. An enhanced version of this is Illustrator's text-to-vector feature, which generates vector graphics from simple text prompts. It's a game changer for quickly creating custom elements and icons, along with the style picker, which allows artists to extract and apply the style of an image to their own designs. So far, nothing too drastic has changed. AI has just become another tool for creators to help them work faster. But then there are tools like Sora, which can generate full videos that are slowly reaching professional quality. While not quite at the precision level of tools like After Effects or Cinema 4D, it raises a question: what happens when it gets there? At this point, two main arguments emerge. The first is that motion design jobs could disappear, leaving only one AI video creator in a company to handle all tasks, replacing a team of 5 or 10 designers. The second argument is that AI will become just another tool, like RotoBrush, making it easier and faster to create videos but without taking over the entire industry. We don't know for sure which scenario will play out, but one conclusion seems clear. The role of the motion designer is shifting. Designers who focus not only on technical skills but also on storytelling and creativity will become powerful visual storytellers, using AI as a tool to bring their visions to life. With AI automating time-consuming tasks, these creators will have more freedom to explore new and unexpected approaches to storytelling. These are the creators who will likely remain bulletproof in the face of AI-driven innovation. On the other hand, those who rely solely on their technical skills may struggle to adapt to the changes ahead. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.